Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how we make our Lavender Himalayan salt scrub. You will first begin with your Epsom salt, which is not actually a salt, but a magnesium sulfate, which consists of magnesium, sulfur, and oxygen, but it has salt on the end, so we'll stick with that. Next, you're going to be adding a pink Himalayan salt. You want to make sure that you get any large clumps out of your salt mix. Once you have removed the large clumps of salt, you can go ahead and add in your colorants. I prefer to use mica powder, and I'm just adding a grape colored mica powder to the salts. I'm going to mix this into these salts prior to me adding my oils. It helps the color be a little bit more evenly distributed when I do add in the oils. Alright, now here is one of my favorite parts in making a Himalayan salt scrub is adding the oils. The oil mixture that I use consists of a sunflower oil, a castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, and of course my essential oil. This is a lavender, so I am using a lavender essential oil. You can use whichever oils that you like, but my recommendation would be is to use an oil that is non-comedogenic, which is a rating of 0 to 5, which tells how easily oil is absorbed into the skin and how easily it is to clog your pores. Clogged pores we know can bring in pimples or acne, which is what we do not want to do. So you want to be very diligent when selecting the oils that you will be using in your product. If you are not familiar with this, especially if you are hand making products, I would suggest you do a little bit of research on this, because you don't want to, sell products to consumers and you're aiding in their acne. One of the reasons why I really enjoy making the Himalayan salt scrub is because when I'm mixing together the salt and oils, I am inhaling the lavender essential oil, and just the feeling of the salt and the oil, it kind of feels like a really wet sand, and I enjoy that feeling when I'm mixing it together with my hands. It is very, very relaxing, I must say. It really takes me to a happy place, which I like to call my happy bubble, which is a good place to be when you are making products for others. Now I'm just adding in a little bit of lavender botanicals, which are dried. You want to make sure any botanicals you add in is dried and does not have any water content, because this is an oil based product. Again, the oil the water brings in the nasties, which we do not want. So always make sure if you are making a product that has oil in it and no water, you use dried botanicals. If you're like me and added in a little bit too much oil, you can always go in and add in either a little bit of Epsom salt or pink Himalayan, or both if you prefer. I always choose to add in a little bit more of the Epsom salt, and I just mix it back in until it's thoroughly mixed, and then go ahead and weigh it out for my containers. Thank you so much for continuing to watch this video as I show you how I make my Lavender Himalayan salt scrub. I hope that you were able to learn something in this video, or even just see how I make this product. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in our next video.